So we're going to show you how to edge paint a leather coaster today using our Galli RC-50 edge painter. We're going to use our Giardini edge paint. So there are multiple ways that you can edge paint. We've got our basic pen tools, our roller tools. We're going to show you the Galli. So a couple things before we get started. What separates ours from others is that we had it made with a 110 volt. So as opposed to 220, the 110 you can use in any socket in your home or factory. So a couple things. So this base, the head, can be removed with this dial here. So that can come fully off. The top component, untwist that. Now you can clean the pool. The other thing I want to show you is on the side here, there's a twist dial, and this applies pressure to the roller here for applying the edge paint. That's going to dictate how much paint gets applied to the edge. So we are going to use our Giardini orange. Pour this in. Make sure the feeder, this part down here, is in the paint. Okay, so on switches on the side. This is a 1-speed. So again, just to show you, there's the application. So now you're getting less the closer you go. All the way off is too much. So you got to regulate it depending on how much edge paint you want. And that's the edge paint on the coaster and the flat edge of the wallet. And here's a piece that's already been dried, so you can see we've got a nice finished edge.